Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to resolve app crashing issues on your OPPO Pad 5. So usually a simple restart done by pressing power button and volume up keys at the same time might resolve this issue. So start with just restarting your tablet and check if this helps you. And if not, then we can open settings, then scroll down to apps menu. Then you have to go to app management and select the troublesome application in here. Let's say it's Google Chrome. Here we're gonna have to go to storage usage, then select clear cache and check the app once again. If this doesn't help you, you can also clear the application data. However, this might cause might force you to basically re-enter all the data, all the login data to your application, and you can also disable it or uninstall the application if this doesn't help you, and then re-enable it or reinstall it from Google Play Store, and then try to relaunch the problematic application. And after that, the crashes will stop occurring. Now let's find another application, for example, YouTube. Oh no, we can't uninstall it. So let's find some app that can be uninstalled. I hope that I have some. No, seemingly I don't. But basically, if you uninstall an application, you'll be able to just find it in the Google Play Store once again and download and install it from here. And after the reinstallation, the problem should be gone. Also, you can, before uninstalling the app, you can simply go to the Google Play Store, then tap on your account, select Manage Apps and Device, and find the apps that require update, and tap Update All or just update the application that is causing crashes. And this will eventually resolve your crashing issue. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.